What are your beliefs around healthy eating and losing weight? Do you believe that you have to live on carrot sticks and hummus or drink 10 gallons of water in order to lose weight? Let's talk about that today. It's Cathy here. I'm with Weight Loss God's Way. And today I want to talk to you about the belief systems that you might have around what foods you need to eat to lose weight. A lot of the times we've been so conditioned to just have diet foods that we actually end up starving our bodies. We actually end up not eating enough because we try to restrict calories. Getting healthy and losing weight is not about restricting calories. It's not about diet foods. It is about eating foods that are going to energize your body, eating foods that are going to have you feel great, leave you feeling energized. Hello, hi. It's going to be about eating foods that will help you get a good night's sleep. Eating foods that will reduce inflammation. When you're eating foods like that, which by the way are healthy, whole foods, foods from plants, not necessarily, and not foods that were made in a plant, that's healthy eating. Those foods will naturally allow your body to be at its right size. Right? So I'm gonna shift my conversation a bit because I don't want to talk to you about healthy eating, but I can't do that without talking about letting go of the diet mindset, because that is what's actually sabotaging you. That's what keeps you frustrated and overweight and overwhelmed. So I encourage you, yes, you're on a weight releasing journey, not weight loss, weight releasing journey. That journey should be made up of lots of healthy, nutritious foods, lots of vegetables, some fruits, whole grain foods, healthy fats, healthy proteins that you can eat a lot of. It doesn't have to be diet foods. You don't have to restrict calories. Now that doesn't mean that you can go and eat 3,000, 5,000 calories, but it does mean that you can relax a little bit when it comes to food. Enjoy food without worrying so much about how many calories are in it. Amen? So I hope that helps. It's a long journey to undiet. I just made up that word. It's a long journey to let go of the diet mindset. But once you realize that it's not helping anyways, right? It hasn't worked. So why would you keep doing something that hasn't worked? Simply start adding in some wholesome, nutritious foods, and don't worry so much about diet foods and cutting calories and low fat this and low carb that, and it's not working. In a lot of cases, most cases I would say, it's actually hurting you. All right? So my takeaway for today, be additive. Add wholesome, nutritious foods into your diet instead of worrying and obsessing about dieting and cutting calories. And I promise you, as you let go of this mindset, you will see that your body start to naturally release weight because it's going to start to trust you. It's not going to be like, okay, what kind of crazy diet is this person going to put me on now, right? It can trust you. It knows that because you love it, you're caring for it, you're giving it the proper nutrition that it needs. That's how it works, right? God gave us this incredible body not to deprive, but to enjoy. So enjoy good, wholesome, healthy foods. And go ahead and type in the chat and let me know, what will you add? What wholesome, nutritious, healthy food will you add into your eating plan? All right? If you're new here, please go ahead, hit subscribe. Love to hear from you. Leave me a comment in the chat. And I will talk to you again. God bless you. Bye-bye.